categories, I should be able to create new categories and edit existing ones. There are 4 steps that repeat in the 2 scenarios, so I put these 4 steps in the background. So given the block is set up, well, in web steps, which is created automatically by Cucumber Wheels help, you can see that the block is set up is here. It uses the block object to primarily start the block typing typing a password, a fictional password, a pretend password, an email, and making a profile as an admin user. Well, the second step is to the admin panel. Well, this step it's also shown in the websteps.rp and log into the admin panel, which it pretends to log as an admin with a pretend user and a pretend password. Well, once the user logs in the blog as an admin, he is redirected to the admin page. So, and I'm on the admin page. Well, I think I have created a categories steps, which is steps definition folders. And these steps is this, given I'm on the admin page. With these regex, page name is captured and automatically redirect to the page name as the admin page. I'm looking for the patch.rb, which is here. I have created the link, the root, admin categories new, and admin content new. With these steps, Cucumber and Capybara can manage to get to the admin page. And the last step in background is when I follow categories link. Now, maybe it's better to show here. And as you already know, in the dashboard of the admin page, you can, in the left hand of the page, you can click on the categories link to get into the categories page where you can see 16 categories, so create one or change existing ones. So I follow the category links. This step is created automatically by websteps.rb here. Here, where is it? Here. When I follow this link, Cucumber and mostly Capybara imitates the click on the link by the user and show the page. At this point, where we have made the background, which is shared by the 2 scenarios. One scenario is view categories page, and the second scenario is add a new category. The view categories page scenario is as simple as say, then I should see categories page. Well, I should see categories page, and in categories steps, I've created a new step when the categories text is code, and if with Capybara object page, we can capture the content of this page, and if the text that we have already captured with the regex 6 in the In the categories page, we can make as a correct answer. If not, an assert is erased. Well, and the second scenario is add a new category. It's easier because WebSteps, once again, has already created for us this one. When I fill in the following, I have filled with the category, with the fields in the form or in the page, category name, category permalink, and category description. And the second column is the text which I type or I fill in these fields. For example, I've created a new category name, sports, with a category permalink sports, and with the description here are posts related to sports. Then the second step is if I press save, I should see sport as I have just created a sports category. And I should see here I have done more comprobations. I think with this one is perfect for see that the page has loaded correctly, but I added these two steps to as a redundant compromission of the page, of the correct page. Well, once I've done these features, creator and edit categories dot feature, we can go to the console and run Cucumber. I'm stuck in this console. I don't know why. Sometimes it happens to me. So I'm going to start another terminal. Get into type of folder. I'm sorry. I'm writing with another keyboard. Sorry. Well, now I'm going to run Cucumber create. Sorry, in the features folder, creates and edit categories feature. Run. Thinking. Yeah, this takes a while. Thinking. The first background step is passed, and the two scenarios passed with 14 steps are passed. Well, it was easy, but I have to say that there was a typo in the categories controller. Well, I have to add these lines of code because primary only assists this line of code. Well, the problem was that when we click on the link of categories, you can't pass ID params to the RESTful route, so the page didn't load. In fact, I have an if control statement. So if I click on the categories link and the params ID doesn't exist, you can create a new category in the database, so the fields are empty. But if I click inside the category page, I click on a existing category, this existing category reflects in the ID of the RESTful route. So the page is redirected to the categories page with an ID corresponding to the to the categories that has already clicked and fill in its fields and columns of the database. Well, that's all. I hope it is useful for something. It's a pity nobody joins me with this achievement, but it's probably that in this course, in this advanced course of Agile Development Ruby on Rails of Berkeley University in edX platform, maybe there are a few people making the course, so it's very difficult. But here we are. Thank you very much for following me in this assignment, in this pair programming, and bye bye.